Hello, it is me again. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple USB equipment to your cell phone. I already made a similar video, but only how to connect singular objects, for example, how to connect a keyboard or how to connect a mouse. So if you want to watch it, the link is going to be in the description. But if you don't wanna, then the quick rundown is all you need is an OTG adapter, OTG meaning on the go. You have to connect it like so. Connect the adapter like this straight to the uh, port or plug. I forgot what it's called, but just connect it like this, then that's how you do it. Right, now onto the main topic, how to connect multiple objects to your cell phone. Alright, a little thingy. I'm sorry for any background noise. You know, the chickens or roosters doing their thing. Sorry about that. Alright, so in order to connect multiple objects to your cell phone, all you need is a USB hub. This is called a USB hub. In order to make it work, you need to connect the adapter right about here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks like this, alright. If you did it correctly, then it should look like this. Alright, now to connect these things to this, you have to connect it through here, which is for the USB plugs. This is a USB port. Alright, now I'm going to show you what it looks like after you connected these two items. Alright, I'm finished, and this is what it looks like. Sorry about the uh, messy background. I'm just recording this on my bed, but this is essentially what it looks like. This is for the mouse and this is for the keyboard. And now I'm going to show you a demonstration on the cell phone. So for some devices, if you connected the OTG adapter to your cell phone, it will automatically recognize it. But for devices like mine, which is a Vivo, it won't automatically recognize it, and you have to manually do it in order to activate the equipment. You know, the keyboard, the mouse, everything. Right. So a quick tutorial. You have to go to other networks and connections. Go to OTG, which is the little thingy over here at the bottom. Press it. And there you go. It works like a charm. Alright, now for the second demonstration. Alright, now that I am here, you can see that it works just fine. You can see the mouse. You can see the mouse working. And for the keyboard test, I'll be just typing random things. Alright, now that that's done, the tutorial is now finished. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this, like and subscribe. Consider sharing it to your friends. And stick around for future videos. Alright, goodbye. Stay safe, everybody.